What's up guys, Shatta Reacts, and today we got Shatta Wale, It's Raining.
You know the vibes. You know the vibes.
Okay, so we got Shatta Wale with a new song. Actually, he dropped a lot of new songs today, so I'm gonna check this one out. Remember to hit that like button. Let's go.
Wow, geeks. This is
One done.
Okay, that beat though.
One done.
Okay,
One done.
I like the way they started out.
One done.
Hey, that beat though. Oh,
It's raining. It's raining.
okay, it's raining.
I feel so good, baby. I want to.
Yeah. Hey. Hey. Yeah. Yeah. I like the way they started off. You know, the beat is straight vibes. Let's keep it going. Yeah. Yeah. Hey. Yeah. Okay. Hey.
It's raining.
It's raining.
I feel so good, baby. I want to.
Yeah. Yeah. Hey, this is the type of song that when it plays at parties, everyone's gonna start dancing. I like it. Okay. Yeah.
One done.
One done.
One done. One done.
Yeah.
One done.
Hey. Yeah.
wow.
The beat is fire.
This is magic.
Okay, Gauge's beats. Hey, this is probably one of my favorite beats that I've heard on a Shatta Wale track. You know, it was definitely something I could vibe to. The type of track that makes people want to dance. This was nice. Remember to hit that like button and click right here to watch all my Ghana music reactions, or click over here to enjoy another reaction. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys later.